work I'll explain to you. This is complete price list. Okay, and if you want to be active any heading column in the quote app, so you can go here and choose whatever you are like. Item code will come like sequence number, whatever you want, size, okay, wall thickness, okay, like that. Whatever you want, you can do that. Then, if you don't want any columns, you just click again and it will hide. Okay, so you can see clearly, like this is the total stock. You can see here. This is the total stock, economic stock. Okay, so you can hide anything, whatever you want. Okay, now how it will work? You just need to select items. Okay, like this. Okay, just click it. It will be add automatically. You can see. Click it here. This is the items are added automatically here. Okay, and go back again, and then add more. Okay, whatever you want, or you can search from here, like CPR. Okay, like this. Just select it. Okay. Then if you want any filter, example you will click the item will come immediately here. Example, okay, so this is a click here, this is a button, and you just add your description here, so it will filter all items while you will bring in the front of you, so no need to find. Okay, one more thing, the other thing is if you want to go direct on the line, okay, you just click here, make a button name and which line you need to go, so you can go up and down to find the required items. Okay? Then the next what is the function? Okay, here it is how many items you are collected. You just click here, it will find for you the all items which is you already selected. So you can see here all items are here which is already coded. Okay, once you will click here, it will load all items. Okay, now if you want to make invoice, performance invoice, whatever in LPO, delivery node, receive voucher, those functions are here. Okay, so first you need to go and register the client. So here is the company name, like okay, any company name, no problem. For example, okay, and auto generate. If you want to give to auto count, you just click that, otherwise you can type a manual. Click auto, then contact person. Who is the contact person? Like Mr. Okay, address where it is. Address, okay, where you, okay, number, okay, email, whatever. TRN number, whatever TRN number. Okay, what is the payment term? Whatever it is there, okay. Then salesman, who is the salesman? Okay, who is the coordinator? Save. Once you will click the save button, it will save. Okay, now you want to make customize whatever, you just need to go here, click and select the customer. And see here the two customers, Google and whatever is there. Okay, then click it. Okay, if you want to send a performance message, just click here. It will make a performance message for you. Yeah, see here, it's made a performance message, everything is there. Now see everything you just need to do. If you want to save Excel, PDF, whatever email you can do. Like example, you want to send an email, just click here. The one you enter in the email, it will go direct to that email. Like say example, you click on the email, it will see email sent successfully. Okay, so who is there, whatever he will receive directly. Now if you want to save it, just save it here. See the email came. Okay, failure, like there is no email. So that's what showing the email failure. Okay, then just save it. Now it is saved. If you want to download the PDF, okay, just click PDF, it will be download for you, whatever is there in the email. Now if you want to see, okay, offload the items like here. Now you want to see if there is any performance pending there, like go here, documents, okay, load, click on performance once, you will see if it is saved is there. Yeah, I see. Now just view or edit, whatever you want to view. If you want to see the items, view. If you want to add again, okay, just click it here, it will go and add the items there. Okay, now if you want to make an invoice, just click it here. Okay, now the invoice is generated for everything. See, this is invoice generated. Okay, if you want to save, just save and PDF. It will be download for you everything. Okay, now that is downloaded also in your system. Now if you will go back, you want to see the invoice, it is added or not yet in the system. So just go here, payment approval. You will see invoices there. Okay, so you need to be approved. Let it download. It's a bit slow system. Hello. सिटी सेंटर में तो ये बैठे लेंदे परचेज कर देना कोई कितना आया तो मैं आया 10 मिनट रुको तू सिटी सेंटर आ जाते गड्डी फ्री करके चल देना ओके 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 see you again. Invoice. Yeah, see it is here. This invoice is there. You just for the approval we want to see invoice. Yeah, here it is came invoice. Okay, you just approve. Once you approve, the invoice is generated. Okay, the amount is added in the system. So see, you can see it will be appear the total amount. See. What is 448.60? The amount you can see here. Okay. So this is the full function. Now you want to send a receiver, you just click here, and the receiver will be generated. See, this is an invoice and receiver is generated. Now you can send to customer. Okay, send email, whatever you can do. Just close. And next is the manage users. If you want to manage your user, just click here. Whatever you want to give access to the user, you just click and add a new user. Now the next function is to be a system setting. What is the system setting? If you want to put your company logo, emotes, like a stamp, sign, whatever, you just need to be add here. It will automatically reflect your invoice or whatever. Okay. So if you want to hide those left side of container, you just click here, it will be hide or unhide again. Okay. So if you want to make a loaded quotation card, you just click here, it will be more big. Okay. If you want to log the items, you can log the items whatever you put in. So if you want to make a box quantity, you just click here, it will make a box quantity. And if you want to give a discount or whatever, everything is there in the system. Okay, if you want to make an offer, you just click here, it will make offer for you. So this is the offer video, so you can send. So this is a complete CRM system. Please review and do let me know. If anything is missing in this one, so I will add. I need your review, please, and comments. Thank you so much. This is my first video. I don't know how to make a proper video, and I need your support to start my new journey.